Do you want to personalise letters or documents in bulk? Well, here's how to do a mail merge in Google Docs using Mailmeteor. First, open a new Google Docs document and this will be your template. We've already created ours, so we're just going to go ahead and open it. When creating your template, write your content and insert placeholders for personalised details. Like here, we've added first name. So we created a document to send to our customers so that they can fill out a review on our restaurant. You can also add things like company name and so on and so forth. Now, if you haven't already installed Mailmeteor, go on to Extension, Add-ons and Get Add-ons. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open our Google Sheet with the list of recipients and their details. Make sure column headers match your placeholders. So for instance, we've added the first name. So first name here needs to be exactly written the same way as here, as you can see. Okay, now back in Docs, open the add-on, so extensions, and then click on Mailmeteor and click on New Campaign. Okay, now check the info. Sender, okay. Recipients, you'll go ahead and select recipients, select a Google Sheets. It's going to load, and here you can just go ahead and click on your Google Sheet. Subject, make sure you change it. And then the options you can choose from are preserve styles and layout to make sure that it looks exactly the same when it's sent out, and track emails opened and clicked. Once you're done, click on Send Emails. The add-on will automatically replace placeholders with the right information for each person. And that's it. You've just created a mail merge in Google Docs, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Google tips and tricks. Happy emailing!